Hello friends, we are going to see chapter number 10 from EVS Food Production Standard 5. We are going to see exercise from behind the textbook, Food Production. Question number A, choose the correct answer. First, we are going to see answers. Which of the following is a Kharif crop? Answer is B, rice. Second, which of these crops is not grown on a plantation? Answer is C, rubber. Third, Operation Flood focused on improving the yield of. Answer is C, milk. In which state did the Green Revolution start? Answer is B, Punjab. Fifth, which of these cause or causes shortage of food? Answer is D, all of these. That is drought, hoarding, flood. B, fill in the blanks. First, the winter cropping cycle in India is known as Kharif. Number 2, dairy farming gives us milk and cheese. Answer is dairy. Third, in cooperative farming, many farmers bring together their lands. Cooperative is the answer. Fourth, the Green Revolution introduced high yielding varieties, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers and improved irrigation techniques. Answer is high yielding varieties, HYV and fertilizers. Fifth, waterlogging and soil salinity are problems associated with improper irrigation. Answer is salinity and improper. Third, match the rows. Wheat, rabi crop. Subsistence farming, answer is small plots of land. Third, organic farming, answer is healthy food. Fourth, Operation Flood, answer is milk and milk products. Fifth, Green Revolution, answer is chemical fertilizers. Now D, write true or false. Subsistence farms grow only cash crops. Answer is false. Second, tea and coffee are cash crops. Answer is true. Third, the high yielding varieties of crops are strong and resistant to insect attacks. Answer is false. Fourth, the use of tube wells helps to raise the water table in the long run. Answer is false. Fifth, famines are caused only by drought. Answer is true. E, answer the following questions. Question number 1. Name the different kinds of farming. Briefly explain any one. Answer. The different types of farming techniques are as follows. First, subsistence farming. Second, commercial farming. Third, organic farming. Fourth, large-scale farming. Fifth, dairy farming. Sixth, cooperative farming. I'll be explaining commercial farming. You can explain any one. First, commercial farming. It is a type of farming used by farmers to produce crops on a large scale and sell it in the market to make profit. For example, cotton and groundnut. Question number 2. What do you think irrigation? Why do you think irrigation is an important part of agriculture in India? Answer. Farmers need a regular supply of water or irrigation for good crop production. Irrigation was one of the greatest development in agriculture, and timely availability of water was found to almost double the yield of crops. Hence, irrigation is an important part of agriculture in India. Now, question number 3. What are the problems faced by subsistence farmers? The problems faced by subsistence farmers are A. The small size of land means or limited amount can be grown at a time. B. Small farmers usually cannot afford modern machines like tractors, threshers and harvesters. Point number 3. C. If one crop fails for even one season, the farmers do not have any support system. Now heading to question number 4. Explain any 4 problems related to Green Revolution in India. Answer. The problems related to Green Revolution in India are: first, the cost of agriculture is very high even though the government offers subsidies. Point 2. The farmers have to spend more on spraying insecticides, pesticides. Point number 3. The use of chemicals leads to salinity of soil. Fourth, modern irrigation practices like tube wells pushes the groundwater lower, thus creating shortage of water for future. Fifth, the chemicals used in fertilizers and pesticides often seeps into crops, making them dangerous for human consumption. Sixth, the genetically modified plants often cause health problems in humans and animals. Now we are heading to question number 5. Mention any 2 reasons for shortage of food in India. What does our government do in such cases? Answer. Shortage of food in India is because of 2 reasons. First, weather conditions. Second, hoarding and black marketing. The government has set up public distribution system to make food available to everyone through fair price shop or ration shops. Question number 6. Explain how drip irrigation is better than other methods of irrigation. Answer. Compared to other methods of irrigation, most of plants get water through this method. We have completed all the questions and answers from behind the textbook. I have some important points which I'll be discussing with you on behalf of this lesson. Crops. There are 2 types of crops: food crops and cash crops. Food crops that are grown for consumption. Example: rice, wheat, maize and jawar. Next, cash crops. Cash crops that are grown to be sold in the market for profit or supplied to factories. For example, tea, coffee, cotton, jute. Next, there are 2 main cropping seasons: Kharif crop season and Rabi crop season. Kharif crop season, it lasts from June to October, from beginning of the monsoon to the beginning of the winter. Example: rice, maize, groundnut, pulses. Second, Rabi crop season. It lasts from October to March, from the beginning of winter to the beginning of spring. For example, wheat, barley, chickpea, mustard. Third is the Zaid season. Zaid season, there is a third short cropping season when seasonal vegetables are grown. This is called Zaid season. This season lasts between Rabi and Kharif crop seasons from March to June. Now important points are also over and the question answers are also over. Thank you.